This is a request by Andrew Knowles.
Hey Caillou, come downstairs to the kitchen, I've got a gift for you. I'm usually not nice to you, but I'm just feeling like it today.
Hey lady, don't you see that I have a parent not allowed sign and a stay out sign? Can't you obey what it says on my door?
You aren't in charge of me, and silly little Microsoft Paint drawings aren't going to make me do whatever you say. You are under the age of 18, so I'm in charge of you.
Fine mommy, what do you want me to do?
Don't worry, it's nothing bad. Come into the kitchen, I've got a little gift for you that I got while shopping.
Yay, I hope it's extra cheesy, pepperoni, pizza.
I got you 2 liters of your favorite kind of diet soda. Go on City, Diet Cola.
That's nice of you, but wish you would have gotten me a pizza instead. I will accept the gift gracefully.
I'm happy that you are mildly satisfied with your gift. You've just got to understand, you are a $5 gift kind of person, not worthy of a $20 gift.
Oh yeah guys, I drank this in about 4 hours, not 3 seconds. Anyway.
Caillou, can you leave me alone? I'm trying to watch a tutorial on how to install Windows 3.1 on DOSBox. You seriously had to interrupt me 4 minutes and 30 seconds in out of my 10 minutes and 27 seconds. Caillou, leave me alone or else I will call Miss Martin's personal cell phone number and ask her to give you extra homework tomorrow.
Maybe Leo will want to hang out with me. Hey, Leo, can I come over and...
Huh? What are you trying to say?
play Kingdom Hearts 3 on your PlayStation 4?
When would you be grounded and ready for that? Sure. Okay, then. I will just call back later.
Stupid hiccups, when will you just go away?